Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add to favorites on BiliBili. To add a show or movie on BiliBili to favorites is a quick and straightforward process. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in bilibili.tv and search. Once you get to the official website for BiliBili, make sure to log into your account. From the main homepage, go ahead and select a movie or show and click on it. Once you start playing the movie or show, go ahead and click on the My List button right under your preview. Once you click on that, you will be able to add the particular show or movie to My List. You can now go to the top right hand corner and click on this little bookmark kinda icon in order to view your list that you've previously added. So that's how you can easily add a TV show or movie to My List on BiliBili. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.